Hi everyone, my name is Levana from Levana in the Kitchen, recipes and tips. Today I'm going to show you how to make hummus. This is one of the popular salads in the Middle East. For making that, I will call my husband because this is his recipe and he will show you how to make it very easy and quick. Hi Shimon.
Hi, hello everyone, how are you, my friends? So, like Levana said, today we're going to show you how to make hummus. Very easy, very simple, and so tasty. So, I prepare a few things here ahead of time, and basically I'm using that box of the chickpeas that have it inside 822 grams. Now, this box coming with, the liquid, so what I'm doing, I open it and 2 or 3 times I fill it up with water and washed it. After I washed it, you see it's already here, and very easy, I'm taking the blender and I just drop it inside. So the rest of that, it's very easy. So I'm using those cups, you can regular drinking cups, and in this one I already put olive oil, and I put third of the cup, and I drop it inside. After that I'm using a tahini. Again, the same thing, the same cup, the same third, and I put it inside. Almost there. Great. The next step, I'm using garlic, and I'm using
Peeled garlic.
Peeled, of course, peeled garlic. I'm using 5 or 6, depends how you use them. So you see I already cut it for a few pieces, and I drop it inside. And I still have 2 things. Lemon. For the lemon, I already prepared ahead of time. I'm using 5 spoons, and I put it inside. And the last thing is salt. Salt, if you can see, it's flat, and I put it inside. Now, when you prepare it, basically, everything is a matter of taste. So if you like it more salty, less salty, you can add it. And everything is inside. So what I'm doing, I turn it on. I open it, and you can see how it's look like. So what I'm doing, I'm, like a cake from the side. I took everything from the side. And I let it work for another 10 seconds. Now, when you open it, if you see that it's a little bit hard, you can add a little bit of olive oil. Me personally, some people put water. I prefer to put oil. I done. Wow. All right. Look how it's look like. You see, it's not soft. It's not hard. If I take
It's smooth.
it's smooth. You see how it's look? It's not falling down. It's not a liquid. That's how it's supposed to be. And I promise you, that's the best hummus that you're gonna eat, and it's gonna take you less than 5 minutes to make it.
Okay.
Thank you. Now Levana gonna show you how to put it in the plate and serve it. Have a wonderful and tasty hummus.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you, Shimon, for your excellent recipe. Everyone like it. Everyone love it. I will show you how to serve the hummus on the right way. I will put this Here we're doing like a circle. Like that. Put a little bit of red sweet paprika and a little bit of olive oil. And this is how it looks. Thank you that you're watching us, and I hope you enjoy, and we give you a recipe, easy recipe, and I will see you again on my next video. I hope you enjoy, and please click on subscribe and likes. I will be very happy to know that you like it. Thank you so much.